hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? And how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? And how are you today?
So children, we are going to learn a new letter. But before that, let's revise the letters that we have already learned. Can you tell me which is the first letter? Yes, capital letter A. Now can you tell me A says? Yes, A says A. Now after A, which letter will come? Yes, capital letter B. B says B. Then after B, yes, it's letter C. C says K. Then after C, yes, it's letter D. D says D. Today we are going to learn letter D. Now this is letter D. How to write D? D says D. Standing line, opposite, C, curve. Now these all are pictures which start letter D. Let us read the pictures which start with letter D. What is this? Yes, this is door. D for door. તમારા બધાના ઘરે door છે ને? Yes, this is called D for door. Which is the next picture? D for drum. તમે લોકો toy નો drum play કરો ને? So this is D for drum. Which is the next picture? Yes, this is dog. What the sound dog makes? Bow bow, bow bow. Yes or no? Yes. Now which is the next picture? What is this? This is called dice. Do you know to play with this dice? Snake and ladder. આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં શું કહીએ? Subsidy. Yes. This is called dice. Okay. Now which is the next picture? Yes, it is dolphin. Dolphin is a water animal. And after that, which picture is this? Duck. Yes, duck is also called a water animal. And what sound the duck make? Quack, 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 quack. And what is this? Yes, dolls. Who loves to play with doll? Yes, girls. Girls ne બહુ ગમે ને doll જોડે રમવાનું. So these are the pictures which start with letter D. Children, now we will learn how to write letter D. Okay? This is red line, first blue line and second blue line. We will write in these three lines. We'll start with red line. Red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. This is letter D, capital letter D. Again, leave two finger space. Red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. One more time. Red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. So children, like this you have to write letter D. Now we will draw picture for letter D. What we will draw? We will draw drum. How to draw drum? Let us see. Okay. See here. We will make two slipping lines. Slipping line and one more slipping line. Now we will make C curve, opposite C curve. Now make standing line, opposite standing line and join with slipping line. And now in inside we will draw one slanting line, go up and down. Again slanting line, again go up. Now here we will make small circles like this. Okay. Now make one slanting line, opposite slanting line and make a circle here. D for drum. Now we will learn how to write capital letter D in our red and blue line book. Okay? See, keep your pencil on the red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Again one more time. Red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. Red line to second blue line, standing line. Red line to second blue line, opposite C curve. But children, pay attention here. कोई શું કરે ખબર? Standing line કરે છે અને ઓપોઝિટ સી કર્વની જગ્યા ઉલટો કર્વ કરે સી કર્વ કરી દે છે. ધીસ ઇઝ wrong. We don't have to write like this. We have to write standing line opposite C curve. Understood? Now we will draw D for picture. Okay, what we will draw? We will draw drum. D for drum. Make sleeping line, one more sleeping line, then from here C curve, from here opposite C curve. Now make one standing line, opposite standing line, join with sleeping line. Okay, અને inside આપણે up and down pattern કરીશું. Slanting line, go up, again go down, again go up. Now make circles inside. એની અંદર આપણે circles બનાવશું. Okay, now make one slanting line, again opposite slanting line, and two circles down. So D for drum. So you have to practice this at home. Okay, so children, now we will do one activity. Which letter can you see? Capital letter D. What can you see in this D? Yes, there are circles. What we have to do is, we have to dip our finger in the color and put on the circles given. So let's start. Dip your finger in this color. You can see? Now let's start. Put your finger in this color, circles. Like this, you have to fill all the colors, circles. So children, you can see which letter we have made. Letter D. Did you all enjoy it? Yes. So children, this is alphabet tree, and now we are going to sing alphabet song. Here we go round the alphabet tree, the alphabet tree, the alphabet tree. Here we go round the alphabet tree, singing the songs of letters. This is the sound that D can make. Da 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 da. This is the sound that D can make. Da 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 da. Children, you can see what are this? Yes, these are letters A, B, C and D. And did you notice these are made of? Yes, these are made of blocks. You all must be having blocks at your home, right? So you also can make letters with your blocks. Okay? You will surely enjoy to make these letters with your blocks. So children, along with making the letters with the blocks, you also have to do writing practice of these letters. Thank you and have a nice day.